welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be testing out the L'Oreal Paris Skin Paradise Tinted, whoa, I messed that up. The L'Oreal Paris Skin Paradise Water Infused Tinted Moisturizer. I've been seeing a lot of mixed reviews on this. Some people have loved it. Some people are like, no. So I just had to take it upon myself to try it and see what it's all about. And then as well as we are testing out these Kiss Falscara lashes. They are supposedly the new way to lash. So yeah, if you guys are interested in seeing that, then let's go ahead and get started. So this is not like a first impressions. This is more of like a review, I guess, because I have wore it like a handful of times now. It is in the shade medium 1. Now I will say this has terrible shade range. Like there's like 12 shades, I think. And I feel like these shades are very dark for what you would think you would need. I have a medium 01 here, and I feel like I would need towards the end of the medium, but those are so orange on me. So yeah, I feel like the shades are just not the best. And I've seen that a lot with people, you know, reviewing this product. Like they get a shade thinking that's what they need, but the shade is like so dark on them. Happened to Kelly Stract and Vianney Strict, which is really weird because me and Vianney have the same shade, but we are totally not even the same like complexion at all. I think this really works for me. I've been loving it. So I just wanted to give you guys a review on it. I'm not gonna be going in with primer. I'm just gonna go on with sunscreen, which is basically gonna act like my primer. Put my sunscreen on so I can take my dog for a walk since it is freaking gorgeous out today. This is a water infused tinted moisturizer. It has aloe vera and witch hazel in it. It awakens fresh glow with luminous coverage, 24-hour hydration. I have oily skin. I don't need all the luminous or the hydration, but I freaking love this mascara. What the heck? I freaking love this tinted moisturizer. I feel like it is so good, and I've seen so many mixed reviews on it. People don't really like it and other people love it. I watched Casey Holmes' review on it, and that's what sold me. She absolutely loved it, could not say enough good things about it, and I was like,
okay, I need to try it for myself.
I have not been able to wear anything else since I've got it. Like, you would never guess this is a tinted moisturizer. I feel like the color match for me is pretty good, but again, like I would never ever pick shade medium 1. I picked up shade medium 3 the first time and it was literally orange. I have applied it with a brush and a sponge. I will tell you that you're gonna get more coverage with a brush, which that is the case for a lot of foundations or face products, because with the sponge it just applies too sheer. The sponge kind of like absorbs most of the product. That is why I'm not doing like a half and half with a sponge and a brush, is because I personally just like the brush to apply it with. I think it gives such a nicer coverage, and that's what I need, is all the coverage I can get. I feel like it's a pretty medium coverage, which I like. I am a full coverage gal. This is going to be perfect like for summer, because I still feel like I get a really good coverage out of it, but it's so thin and lightweight, like it doesn't feel like I'm wearing anything. And it has SPF in it, so we're doing all the things over here. And it is buildable, so I do add a little extra because I like my full coverage. I feel like it is a little more glowy right now than usual, just because I did apply sunscreen before with no other primer, but I mean it is regardless. And I do feel like it oxidizes the tiniest amount. Like when I put it on, I feel like it was going to be way too light, but when you actually like start to blend it in, I feel like it does oxidize just a tad. So I'm just going to take a sponge and kind of dab off any excess, because I know I put a lot on. Don't mind my skin right now. I am like breaking out so freaking bad. I just went to the dermatologist today, so hopefully I can get that shiz under control and have a flawless looking face for y'all. So here is what my face is looking like. I feel like it has really good coverage for a tinted moisturizer. It is glowy like I mentioned. So now I'm gonna go in with some concealer, and this is new, like not new, it's new to me. It's been out forever. This is the LA Girl Pro Concealer, and I've been wanting to try this out for years, but I just haven't never done it. I don't know why. It's so cheap and I've heard it's so good. I got the shade medium beige, and then to blend that out, I'm just taking the Sassy Chic sponge and I'm spraying it with ColourPop Pretty Fresh Hyaluronic Acid Setting Mist. I've fallen back into my lazy girl phase of not getting up to go wet my sponge, so I just like kind of spray it and then dab it off. So fun fact, this is the third time that I've filmed this video for you guys. I don't know what's been my luck lately, but I've been having to refilm like every single video video that I've done the past like month. The first time that I filmed this for you guys, it was out of focus, blurry as heck, couldn't really see anything. The second time I was filming, it like cut me off after like 15 minutes because I didn't have enough storage. So that was cool. Now this is the third time I'm filming it for you guys, so you better feel special. Next, I'm just gonna go in with my e.l.f. HD powder and set where I placed that concealer. Sometimes I do set my whole entire face, but if I'm just gonna be around my house, not going out or having to put on a mask or anything, I kind of like just, you know, leaving my face looking luminous. I do have a new bronzer that I'm gonna try out too. It's not new by any means, but it's new to me. This is the Milani Sun Kissed Silky Matte Bronzer. This is in the shade, wait, I think the shade is Sun Kissed. So this is what it is. Juicy Jazz always hypes it up and I'm like, okay, I need to try it for myself. It is a lot more cool toned than what I'm used to, and I think it's a lot lighter than what I'm used to. I've been using the Butter Bronzer by Physicians Formula lately, which I feel like is too dark. So we're gonna see how this just plays out. We'll see. Oh! Wow, that was shocking. I was not expecting that. Okay, so this is a lot more cool tone of a bronzer than what I usually use, but I think it's pretty. This would be a good like contour. I feel like it's showing up so much darker on the camera than what it is on my face, but that's okay. But I really like it. It's nice and very pigmented. Like I was not expecting to even have that much pigment just because I thought it was gonna be like pretty similar to my skin tone, but very nice, Milani. Maybe it's not too, I mean, it is cool tone, but I like it. Like, I don't know. Kind of went a little crazy over here, so. I'm gonna contour with it too, because I think it's a good contour shade. Okay, I like that bronzer a lot. Like, again, not a good shade range, and this is the darkest shade that they have, but I really like it. I'm digging her. I'm digging her. Then for blush real fast, I'm just gonna jump in with the Essence blush in the shade Befitting. This is just like the prettiest little natural pinky blush. You would think it applies a lot more pink on your face, but it doesn't. It just gives you the littlest blush of color, and it's so pretty. I feel like it'll be so pretty in the summer. It just make you look like you have a little bit of a sunburn, but you really don't. Or maybe you do, I don't know. And then for highlight, I'm going in with the Maybelline Master Chrome Metallic Highlighter in the shade Molten Gold. This stuff is blinding to say the least. Just put it on the tops of our cheeks. I'm just gonna hop in real fast and do my brows and I will be right back. Okay, I'm back. I just threw my brows on, put some of that bronzer in my crease and put some of the highlight in my inner corners and my brow bone. And we are ready to test out our new, we're not testing them out because I've already worn them, I think 2 or 3 times. And I've loved them. These are the Kiss Falscara lashes. So there's 5 individual lashes on each eye. And it comes with this Falscara kind of like mascara stuff. One end you have a bond side, which is kind of just like a very tiny wand. You apply it as mascara. You put it on your lashes, which actually kind of represents the lash glue. So you do not use a lash glue for this, which I love. And then on the other end, you have a seal side, which is white. After you put those on, you just kind of seal it all together. What I've been really liking about these is they look so freaking pretty. They look so natural. They look just like lash extensions, but you can take them off, and that's awesome. I love lash extensions, but I hate paying for them and hate what they did to my eyelashes. Lash extensions totally just took all my eyelashes off. I had kind of long eyelashes before, but now I don't have hardly any lashes. So I love these. I feel like they are easier to put on versus regular strip lashes, because with this you have to get a whole band perfect. With these, they're like very little teeny strips, and you just have to align them. Like this is one, and look how teeny it is. Now with these, the very weird thing about them is you don't put them on top of your lashes. They actually go underneath your lashes, which is kind of freaky at first. Honestly, I was like, oh my god, I'm gonna like stab myself in the eye. But it's actually not too bad, and once you get them situated, you can't even tell that they're there. Like honestly, I put them on the first time when I was doing my first impressions video that I had to delete. I went outside to take the dogs out, and it was a super windy day, and they stayed on so good. I don't know if these are technically new, but I saw Rachel Love test them out just here not too long ago, and I I was like, okay, she loved them. Those are awesome. I need to try them. Now, what I do is I take the Bond side and I only apply it to the eye that I'm going to be working with like at the moment. I don't know if that's how you're supposed to do it. I have done it both ways, and I feel like the second eye that I did, I had to keep going in with more because they kept falling off. So I only work one eye at a time. It says a little of this goes a long way. So you don't want to put too much on because it is very, very, very sticky. So yeah, you just apply the Bond side like mascara, and it's gonna give a little tint to them, but not too much. Once you have one coat on, I go in immediately, and I always work from outer to inner. So I'm gonna take the outer corner piece and I'm going to place it underneath my lash like that, and then just keep grabbing and keep adding. This is my hardest thing, is trying to get them all aligned. It's always like they want to go like at a slant, so it's just super hard, but or they want to stick to the tweezers, you know. It's always something. If you really wanted to, like, the new thing to do I think is like just to cut real lashes in half and just wear the outer corner. So these would be perfect just to apply the last two or the last three. Like, I think that looks really pretty. I'm not into that trend. I like full lashes. They're just so gorgeous. They're so natural looking. They're like your lashes but better. Oh, I freaking love them so much. Now this is my third time applying them, I think, and I feel like I'm getting better each time. So the more you practice, the more you will get better at it. But here's the difference. This is the lashes side. They're so pretty. They just look like my natural lashes or like lash extensions versus what my real lashes look like. Non-existent, but they're so pretty. I do have mascara on these because last time I used them, I put the seal in like all throughout my lashes and they kind of turned white, which I read after that you're not supposed to do that. So I went in with mascara to kind of darken them up a bit. And I have placed them too low before to where they were like bugging my eye and irritating it, and I just had to like pull it off and reapply, and it was fine, totally fine. And you might see my eyes watering, but if you watch most of my videos, you know that my eyes water when I do my makeup all the time. Just super annoying, but doesn't tend to affect the lashes at all, so that's good. See, that one's kind of white on the end. I have seal on it, but whatever. Okay, once those are all applied, I'm gonna go in with the seal in, and you just like kind of pat it to like where you applied it them on your waterline, I guess. Just kind of make sure everything's sealed together. Do not run this through your full lash like I did. I did that. You're not supposed to. Oh my god, I got that in my hair. Look at that. Cute. Good thing I'm washing my hair tonight. And yeah, that's what those lashes look like. They're so freaking pretty. I am obsessed with them. I don't know how many times you're supposed to wear them. This is my third time wearing them. Okay, and then for lips, I'm gonna be taking the NYX Lingerie liquid lipstick. These are new shades that I just picked up. This one's in the shade Bedtime Flirt. I've used this formula before and I really, really like it. I don't use it often, but it was on sale at Ulta, so I was like, okay, I'll get you. It's a really pinky color. I don't know what's up with me getting all these pinky colors lately. But anyway, I'm gonna go over it with the, I've never seen a glitter one before. This is the shade Butter, but it's kind of like got glitter in it. Oh yeah, that's really, really pretty. Next, I'm just gonna spray my face with the Beauty Crop Cocoa Gold Mist. This is so pretty. It has like gold shimmer in it. I don't know if you can see it. However, the sprayer is not very good. It's like a freaking faucet. Here is the final look with my L'Oreal Paris Skin Tinted Moisturizer. I absolutely have been loving this stuff. I cannot get enough of it. I've honestly not worn anything else since I've got this tinted moisturizer. Jared and I have been out to dinner. We've been bowling. I've been out with my neighbors, and it's literally the only thing I've been using. Cannot say enough good things about it. If you're on the fence about getting it, I personally love it, and I think you should try it out. It is a little more pricey. I think it's like $16 or something, but still more affordable than a high-end foundation. High-end foundations are like $40. I love the lashes as well. They're so good. In the kit, you get 5 individual lash strips for each eye. You get the lash bond and seal, and then you also get a pair of Kiss tweezers. I love these things. I honestly have 2 now because I used these ones before I got the whole kit, and I just can't get enough of these tweezers. I love them so, so much. They make putting lashes on so easy, and if you don't get it for anything else, get it for the tweezers. Like, these are so good. But yeah, I hope you guys liked today's video. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below what you want to see next, or just to show some love and help out my channel. Make sure you hit the subscribe button so you never miss a future upload from me. And I guess until next time, I will see you in my next video. Bye guys, thanks for watching. Go out and make the world smile. The L'Oreal Paris Skin Paradise Water Tinted oh good lord, I've been using the butter bronzer Physicians Formula butter. I can't talk. I have like grass in my hair. Why? Ooh. Honestly, haven't even worn. I haven't honestly. Let me know or leave a comment or what? I have a hair on my face. My pimple. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Don't fall.